Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful designs of crochet girl frocks patterns, and these are very adorable and charming dresses for young girls that are created using crochet techniques. These frocks are typically made with soft yarn or thread and feature intricate crochet patterns and designs, with some with flowers and some with granny square. You can contrast it with any color or with the same color. It's all up to you. You can if you want to wear a light color or beige color or cool warm undertones, it's all up to you guys, because in this video I have presented almost all the colors which are really trending in nowadays. They come in various styles such as A-line, flared or fitted, and can be embellished with details like ruffles, flowers or lace accents. Crochet girls frocks are versatile and can be worn for special occasions, parties, or even as casual everyday wear. It doesn't matter whether you are in cold weather or like hot weather. It's all up to you, your choice. You can wear under your t-shirt, and you can dress up the way you want it to be. So they are popular for their unique and handmade appeal, adding a touch of elegance and sweetness to little girls' wardrobe. And they are very economically and cost effective as compared to the other frocks in the market. And yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and do let me know your favorite crochet designs from this video, so it will give me an idea to come up in my next video according to your choice. Thank you.